to my channel. And as you can see, I have a special guest, Afroliciouz in the building. This is her second time on my channel. Yeah, welcome. How does it feel to be back?
You know, I feel honored.
Yeah.
You know, to be here to, you know, grace your screen.
Thank you for having yourself here. I want to do something really fun, something colorful, and yeah, we're doing it together. We're going to be dyeing our hair. Can you see how black our hair is? As in,
black
it's jet black.
hair, guys.
I'm telling you, I'm going to be putting some color into this. Like, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yes.
I am. But guess what? It's not going to damage our hair. Okay, we're going to give you all the info. But first, subscribe, alright? Subscribe. We're almost at 4K, guys. We can do this.
Yay.
Yes, let's go before August is over. That's my goal, guys. Support. Also, subscribe to her channel. Follow us on Instagram. I'll leave our handles down below. Alright, let's get into the video. These are the colors we're using, and it's from Hidirose. It's a Nigerian brand, and actually we met
to the world.
I'm telling you, we're like really doing awesome things,
so
from our music to everything, our food
and our hair products.
Of course. We met the CEO at the DIY Natural Hair Workshop. I don't know if the vlog has come up yet, or you guys have already seen that, but the vlog will be out soon, and you're gonna see everything that went down at the workshop. But basically, she launched this product, and we got some, and we're like, you know what, let's try it.
Let's show you guys.
So we have red, we have purple, and we have
blue.
We're gonna be using everything. It's just for fun, nothing serious.
It's not so serious.
It's not that deep.
First color is red, and it's called prom dress. This is what it looks like. And the next one is called national blue, and as you can see, they look amazing. And purple is called deep lavender. These are all three that we're going to be using.
So we are about to begin. I don't really know which style I want.
Do you understand?
I'll just keep this. Start small.
Yeah, even me too. I'll start with this.
Yeah, start with these two in front, and then we shall proceed. So unraveling, we both have like twists.
Wash day.
I swear, I washed mine on Sunday, and today is what? Friday. This is how the hair has been, man, and the frizz has been real. I didn't even retwist mine.
Are you serious? No, even me too. I've not retwist mine too.
Ooh, the thing has definition.
Are
you doing ombre, or like you're just gonna like put it?
the ombre.
You look a little ombre.
I'm not that adventurous.
I'm so nervous. Okay, so I think I'm going to start with red and purple, but let's start with I'm starting with red. Oh, smell it.
Yeah, it smells really good.
It smells really good.
No, you know I was saying it that day.
Yeah, it smells amazing. I'm starting by spraying this mist by Zizas. It's just like a detangling mist, just for a little moisture. Yeah, just a little.
So me, I will just put on my hand.
Exactly, even that one's plenty.
I just put on my hand like this,
and then rub it.
But I don't want it to be.
I need my lens. I'm not trying to have shrinkage with colored hair.
I don't want it to be too damp.
So yeah, we're just putting the leave-in mist on our hair. I'm waiting for you.
Why?
I want to start first. I want us to do it together.
Okay, so my color is here.
It's gonna take.
Okay, start small. Remember, she said start small.
Yeah.
So small.
Okay.
My small. Oh my gosh.
Jesus is loud. Okay. It's like a cream.
Mine is not even showing.
Ain't sure. I'm seeing it though.
Like,
I'm telling you. I'm seeing it. It's my own. I'm not seeing it. It's looking like.
No, it's too small.
I need to pack.
I can't see anything.
Okay, sorry. I'm packing it. It's not showing. I'm putting no. My hair is drinking this thing. See.
Maybe you should put more water. Aha, I'm just seeing it now.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
I'm just seeing it now.
Sorry. Guys, can you see? You know her hair is like dark.
As in,
And then the model she used you and one
yeah,
other.
she used me.
And then like the one that had blonde
but then
hair.
she said,
You have to show you.
she said when it gets dry,
It's
like
it becomes
as it gets dry, it gets more, it becomes more obvious.
I can see it.
Ah.
So good. I haven't dyed my hair since like 2013, like, and I liked it then, but the damage was like,
damage is always real.
I'm telling you, I was like, oh,
Can you guys see?
yeah.
It's like,
Is it define your curls though? Some sort, like your curls are poppy. So I'm doing another Samsung.
what color are you using?
Ooh, okay, you use red.
Yeah.
Then I use purple. So
let's exchange.
I just put some of that leave-in thing on my hand, just a little bit. Like so. And we're going for purple. Wish me luck.
No, but I like the purple. It's dark.
Can you see that?
You just even started.
Oh, mad.
It pops. That color purple pops.
It's popping.
Pops like purple.
Wow. I don't know who this Afroliciouz is. I was not expecting that. She said pops like pops. What does that mean?
I don't know.
Can you like
Let me get this.
okay.
Okay.
For those of you that don't know, Afroliciouz was as hey God. For those of you that don't know, Afroliciouz was a speaker at the Natural Hair Workshop.
Yes,
And
I should add public speaking to my CV.
You should, because she killed it. Her part was so interactive. In fact, she even went as far as taking like a video selfie, like some Cardi B stuff.
We have to prepare the ground.
Like she gave us some of her pictures. Her outfit was on point. Like it was lit, guys.
That was the last. That outfit was the last minute decision. So
it was a perfect. I love the shoes. I think it's the heels you're wearing. She did that. It was lit.
Thank you.
Has come and gone, guys, but there will be another one.
We can't wait.
There will be another one. It will be bigger. It will be better.
Of course. If you missed the first one,
I'm telling you.
I'm sorry.
Everybody got products. Plus, like even in the competition, people were just winning.
People were winning stuff.
Oh, guys, can you see this? Can you see my hair?
It's popping.
You can't talk to me anyhow. Like Cheesy Dream say, you can't. Ooh, this red is nice.
I don't know, that looks like good.
No, but it's nice on your hair. Where are my curls? Curls! Are we trying blue?
Of course.
Now? I need to do blue now. Like that. Like, we're not even doing this thing in a cordial, like, what's the English? In a chronological order. I don't go out and looking like a masquerade.
No, that's.
Are you ready for blue?
Alright, where are we going to put it?
Is it not you that want to put it in?
Where are we going to put the blue?
Yeah, no. Or what do you want to do?
I don't care, I'll put it here. Next to the pink.
I'm confused. Okay, so we have red and purple.
Yeah, we're just testing.
I think I'll put another red in front.
Why?
So that
blue.
No.
Be bold.
I'm not that bold. She's going with blue. She's going
B
in
for blue. B
She's
for
going
bold.
in. Come on. See, your lip is plenty. Maybe that's what we're getting your curls.
No, it's.
No, your hair is already actually very defined.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to join her in her blue right about now. Ooh, this blue looks mad.
Yeah, it looks really good. I can't wait for you, I'm sorry.
Wow, betrayal. Betrayal.
Okay.
She's going in with the blue.
Yes. But this blue is not like the shouty.
It's not?
See now.
Oh, purple. Oh, pop guns. Oh, pops. It's nice. Please pause it. So me too, I can pop. Can post. Ooh. That's what it looks like.
Looks good.
Yeah, I like it. So I'm going in.
Wow.
What do you call this color combination?
I think these colors,
Mhm.
right? If you do like if you apply it and then you do like a twist out, like
This would be nice for sure. Guys, we forgot to tell you about the color.
Mm-hmm.
We didn't even read the instructions.
As in
Who
what
does
area?
that? Well, in case anybody's interested, I'll leave the link or I'll leave their handle so you know where to get it from.
Yeah.
But basically, it says take a small amount of cream and smooth and rake it through your hair, starting from the ends and work it up to the roots. It works best on damp hair. You see, we didn't know that. We spritz our hair. Shit. And then over the damp hair, you can put in your leave-in conditioner, style as desired, blow dry or air dry. Yeah.
So it's pretty. It's like
Yeah,
straightforward.
exactly. And if you wash it, it's gone.
Yeah,
You
it's
get-
gone.
So if you tomorrow you don't want colored hair and you're going to work or whenever,
Just wash it
you
off.
can wash it off. It's that simple.
Yeah.
Alright, hey guys, so we decided to do the rest of our hair off camera, and as you can see,
Yes.
can you see
Popping.
this? It's popping, ting, 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 ting. What? We have blue, we have purple, we have red, and this is what we came up with. And the products they're drying,
Yeah.
and it doesn't feel brittle or anything. Does yours?
It's not really staining.
It's not staining. Mine is
The parts that are dry don't stain at all.
Mm-hmm.
But it's just parts that are damp that will stain.
Yeah, and like I just like it. My curls are actually popped a little bit, and I like it. And it was creamy. We finished
Everything is
everything.
raining just
A little.
just a little.
Like we used everything.
But it's not so bad.
It's not.
Considering that we both have a lot of hair.
We our hair is full. Like we have volume. I don't have the brush strap or back length, but
We're almost there.
I'm getting there. 2020. We're coming. I'm just gonna tell everybody I permanently dyed my hair just to see.
So would you permanently dye your hair like this?
I would say it's a phase
Different
in life. I just felt adventurous and I went for
I
it.
think it's more common like in the
Yeah,
abroad.
not
But
in Nigeria. Nigeria, once you see dye, people believe it's like permanent.
Permanent.
Yeah,
This is good.
it's fun. Like, and I don't plan to wash mine anytime soon. I'm gonna rock it.
Even me too.
So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was fun.
Yes, I had fun.
Yes, thank you for coming to my channel. Like, you know, you bring that spice.
Spice.
Yeah. Make sure you like,
Yes, like.
subscribe to both of our channels. I'm gonna leave her handle as well. Subscribe, support us, support the Nigerian ABJ influencers. Like, you know what I'm saying? No, actually, I don't know what I'm saying. Till next time. Bye.
Bye.
Pills house.